Live. Our GH Live Studios, Ghana's numero uno. Na hini da na bet so na ibeko Nigeria. Yenim se Kwara United ababi drasum gym. Ewo Ghana precisely Accra. Abi eba de da na kwem ye the report no afri ho e the amount. Omo ban batches said ye unim no na first delegation no eba be drew ye no na panyufo edi achiri bi eba ye Krachi and I say and Penful be the general manager Malam Bashe Badawi and I feel so NFF team no official our can be our new more about PM so a Haman Timothy coach Tunde Sani and a daily in the bay Womo and I can Abdullah Musanom eka technical staff no be and a Rotimi or inlay one also eka be Rotimi or Linoye a team doctor. Na corrector and I say keepers young fans Mazwa and my team how Hussein Garuba Omunyina Babi Drew Anyaketwa na Malam Bola Magajidi one and executive chairman Kwara State Sports Commission enti Omunyina Babi Drew Bibia dead and Aquemwa players are banned their 23-man squad Womo Eban Kron crowd do but on this very episode TNE me ma information serious ye pa said the onim Kotoko 1935 near form team no from Kren to Krakran winning Kotoko on some ma historical record kakra and Kwara United on their performance Africa competition mo dear some no say currently Kotoko any Kwara United game newspapers one Nigeria any news portals one Nigeria airport and home. Some various newspapers, if you the Punch, Kuwakrata, I know our Nigeria, my one more report, I would draw my Afa Kotoko and I feel so Vanguard, NGR, Vanguard, I know see Kuwakrata Bako, I want Nigeria, meme, some Kotoko, some Akakopium Dewa, and I'm saying, Omo, and Kwara United game, you know. Yes, on this episode, we are taking a close, keen interest in what Nigeria newspapers and various reportage about Kotoko and Kwara United game. You know, ain't Muka credit, but I'm from two of them. Say referee, what about the game? Referee. Yes, super. Referee so attach it down. Come on, we be edited that now. Kwema niema sinyang kubenya to Accra. The game, every stand is set for the big game. Kotoko is a massive victory. Our Kwara United team no so enyake to ade, but I say team nkonim na yebo yantushire ekwaye nim. Cote d'Ivoire referee Patrick Tanga, Jean Philippe, young guy na ba be Drew Asumjemo, one the compatriots, omunyina free kroba so Nyoho Watara, and a Lansin Koni, womumienu eka home omiamiensa. And after so, opinion no there, fourth official, woman every Cote d'Ivoire, Ibrahim Khalilu, woman ababedunti referees, Patrick Jengi, Tank Philippe, woman ababedru, and after so, no Watara, Lansin Koni, Ibrahim Koni Trari, woman ababedru, no, Eddie Eto Jai, my energy form, tis Bibia, Edna Kwema, and Yakitwa, young quay. Na yanshe niema udwa na etoja ewa Nigeria memu efa Kotoko epic encounter with Bobo Kwara from once Kwara United no that day and a newspapers no saying and almost reported and efa ho yanko Nations newspaper a newspaper ewa Nigeria almost so esa pretty online portals no paper ankasa e ma te se enkofa daily guide no mni ade no. Yes, Nations newspaper. Woman Nigeria almost saying signing Radis Kwara United for Kotoko stiff test. Into Omo dear no signing no dear money coach, Yes, the nation's newspaper. Our Nigeria. Our news editor friend is Tunde Laidi. Tunde Laidi. And Ochema was say Confederation Cup game. Sunny coach, Sunny Redis. Kwara United for Kotoko stiff test. Na okom ekwa sia kakra. Said the way newspaper review mukano na. Or say Tunde. That is Sunny Tunde. Was say we're very exuded confidence. Said the Harmony Boys. Kwara team, they will begin their CAF Confederation Cup tie against Kotoko of Ghana with a flourish this weekend. Kumasi, paper and the reporters are born in Basu Kumasi, but on him say, Omo Bona cry, and also a newspaper, the already two Ghana, the Kaya Deba say, was say, this weekend is a tough away festa against Ghanaian giants, Asante Kotoko. Yes, and also Kakra, Upo still. Giants in the Edaso Honti Tunde Laidi Kowa Central for the nation's newspaper and also Akabi Biafa Kotoko and Kwara United gamer Basono another newspaper on also said there was a report to here VON Nigeria Portal Bakon Voice of Nigeria was a Kwara United set for CAF Confederation Cup showdown and also paper with the ABC our baby a para team no wana Ilorin hona yes Lorin hona and a team no Kuwakrata with VON Voice of Nigeria ABC na editor of this story actually Tunde Akambi I say yes advanced team na dinka dada ebra no trust our story also madru na enchakra no the other branch of the team wamuso ebedru Nan head and also Kwara United set for CAF Confederation Cup showdown and also Canada Japan brought full and a Voice of Nigeria a quote to be almost the showdown at the Atuho at the Ama Africa Top Sports and also a newspaper by Kwa almost sports on some Kwa and Omoka our Nigeria Africa Top Sports almost the NA also CAF Confederation Cup Kotoko confident ahead of Kwara United clash, calls on fans for support. We eno dia kakra ketewese enye dodo rewura wode atudwa efa sansam no ho kakra that is Kotoko game na newspaper baako and also Kwara news or say Kotoko top striker Kwame Poku injury has affected the team. One crowd or has next so we can't conclude okay Zito ekasa ko Zito Eka's a Kwampoku injury, affecting the team, and a Kwara news, Kwara state in Ankasa, news, almost say Kwamako to Zito, or say Kwampoku's injury, Kotoko top striker, has affected the team plans for Kwara big tie. We and some Kakra, Kwara news, and also Nigeria, and the air to Jayakwa, another newspaper, Sports 247 Nigeria. Sports 247 Nigeria. Almost say Kwara United get governor Abdul Razak backing Kotoko. Backing Kwara ahead of Kotoko game. Also Kwara United get governor Abdul Razak backing. Yes, Papa no woman and backing. Nam say so amo muskapa. What is sika awram edi ama almost famra ko private jet kra na say esibu so. Inti amfa and then you say me Fahon Kanti one touch you modiba governor I friend say Abdul Razak or and offer honka and no air kakra eto janti Sports 247 Nigeria and edit to just say governor edema Kwara State when papa I friend say Abdul Razak or Bakiti my friend is a Kwara United so victory of over Sante Kotoko. We in training Olusola Adebayo Sports 247 and also airport to 83 Nigeria na Vanguard NGR Vanguard and also airport to say Kwara top striker Moses Nyebe out of Kotoko Kwara game. Yes, I know and some of the two almost Kwara United top striker Moses Nyebe Kotoko Kwara United game Omobi and crime for say Omobi Omobi and also kakra yari tuja edi amanta local newspaper Vanguard MGR and a report to say Moses Nyebe a top marksman striker pa and a team my friends Kwara United omni Kotoko game were injured and both leg affairs ni na home and away mobi and the to draw ACL Sports our Nigeria wa makantra say Nigeria portals and the epic headlines ahead sports almost say Kotoko Karim Zito won goals against Kwara United or say Kotoko Karim Zito wants goals as against Kwara United. Na journalist or tray your friend Samuel Ario Samuel or no trade ma ACL Sports Nigeria na or say ampa or no GDA say yes Kotoko coach goals and goal na or the Amakotoko ahead of gamer woman your team airborne we and cratch no san name traveling squad ebabe PM ewon kran ne omne Kotoko be bono 23-man squad wa name mu nyina Suraju Ayelesu Yahaya Ibrahim Kabiru Mohammed Victor Adioye Aliu Salawuddin Said Olaniyi Eni Emmanuel Awule John Mark Sheshe Babatunde Bright Alau Mohammed Junior Amofia Nuruddin Badamaus and Afensu Musa Abdulafiz Sean Ogurimbide Rinze Obona Ozo Philip Toyib Gidado Obiora Kingsley Mubarak Said Shola Abdurrahim Akani Akim Isagata Afiz Bankole into newspaper one also dia wade to kakra ahead of the big clash ACL Sports Nigeria also na Premium Times Nigeria obati newspaper spider Premium Times Nigeria also Kwara United coach set sight on glory ahead of Asante Kotoko clash we a Premium Times NGR and I say Premium Times Nigeria or say CAF Confederation Cup Kwara United coach set sight on glory ahead of Asante Kotoko clash na okwasia kakra journalists or reporters our story your friend Bemidepo Popola and also say the Harmony Boys earned their place on the continent after clinching last season President Federation Cup, ending a long wait to re-establish themselves among Nigeria representatives on the African stage. Also, Africa last time Omutimi J Trophy President Federation Cup and I properly Omomone Kotoko, the biggest, one of the giants in Africa. Ekwa Koshia and some training our reporters are heading away. Your friend is said, Bedamipo, Popola, Bedamipo. And Kwara United coach set side on glory ahead of Asante Kotoko clash. We a super. You're also ready to ja ewomono. Yansha say other news. Yansha. 3 news Nigeria. I say Kotoko. Okay. I say confident Kwara United coach eyes CAF Confederation Cup victory over Kotoko and also the free moon. To ja say yadema team for. Ewo mun tentem so na and some ewa yeah na okay I say the Nation's newspaper no as I refer by I say Remo Stars Kwara United to play continental matches in Abeokuta. I say the MKO Abiola International Stadium in Abeokuta has been confirmed as a venue for multiple fixtures in this season CAF interclub competition featuring Nigeria representatives Remo Stars and Kwara United, as well as Comoros champion US Zlamaju. When the Omuchema Kotoko interest and it's a Kotoko second leg CAF Ajatum say Yamona Biokuta and also Kakra by Besha Diachre Ediama in a chief from a Biokuta and Yaketua NNA as a weird man in Tempa. Na yetimi etwa so ekwa anim tantam so ema bibia ewie pe live ewo GH live studio so na enema wie pe nti Kotoko ene game a woman Kwara United ebo no ehun sem kakra ena newspapers on Nigeria omo report to edefa ho no eno no na bibia timi akoso live ewo GH Live Studios and a fresh time na udi echi ampacho now subscribe to the very channel na yekoye nimti second leg ni de ye mo first leg ni we ye kuta information dewa ayado ma in a tier for ewo mu na obi anya ne chefa 10 times so edi free mu na yakoye nim sa pepe NCT enti abiokuta ho na o ma giatum for second leg no Ufri Lauren baby Kwara for no crab basin de kowa almost 4.5 hours sana ECTNT and over fa biokuta ebora is saying road no babisi obomoso obomoso fa potope yes obomoso fa potope is saying road ya be more details don't worry na inwe first leg no mungu mawo me bogu mom wi na ya twaso e de free hono e de amount newspapers no e kwan o fa so e report with regards to Kotoko and I think so game I'm gonna Kwara United airborne a home some from Nigeria almost a year and I de atuga ede amount now Yenya Kwara United who Juma kakra Kwara United team no almost enya promotion about the senior that is the elite division the year 2017 2017 omunya promotion about Nigeria National League anymore na the tier any my about 28 years and I'm forming a club no if a club no dey yete no udu po history mu a yete no afi 1974 na omote Kwara United team 1974 no egui team no egui afi 1985 governor no free so no obi amfa sika nwura mu biem and a team no egui enti officially the all cap papers mu dey 2017 and almost 1997 and almost for me but I mean do date back to historical antecedent more 1974 ABC 85 near from Kwara Water Corporation Football Club and you and a next governor by and on also a chen babra say o man for no minti team dia and yes Kwara na ye no style ni enhye mukana and o register and for Kwara Utility Bombers of Ilorin Kwara Utility Bombers of Ilorin 1985 1990 and as our governor no free so and a next governor by us na me dim sika be shem dia I say ye ni ye 1990 97 and Mr. Dini free Kwara United Bombers of Ilorin ebe and Kwara Bombers Football Club Africa panyini bia ba so a or the opes wo ye enti Kwara Bombers no and ejina ya de be 1997 and say Debbie ukọ baby a Bombers no ya na ukọ visa kra dia na Bombers wan ha mo beto bi boni ni ade and yansesa Bombers ne and at 97 omutena sidin Kwara state government exit there exit Parkers and omutena sidwene hu biem se be rename and ye no Kwara United Football Club of Ilorin Kwara United Football Club of Ilorin after Kwara state government or exit Sparks or team B that time say team ni na gugu Kwara Bombers Utility Team Water Corporation no egui ansori biem and call state for koto team be friend exit Sparks Football Club ewo Ibadan omko Ibadan exit Sparks ya papa no amko no behu exit Sparks and omko to free Ibadan and ombe team no rename no Kwara United Football Club of Ilorin 1997 and no one performance ewo CAF competition mu no uhemu a make it 2 appearance CAF Confederation Cup 2 appearance and make it the year 2007 boko drew group stage and the year 2022-2023 second round and free and 2 appearance and make you a CAF Confederation Cup and the Dominic Kotoko boy the 3rd appearance and Kwara United for Amiki. Yes, CAF Cup 99 and make 1 appearance quarter-final stage and free more and also the Ethiopia Omo anya legend coaches bebre Omo anya very legend coaches bebre Tetuanum white coach be by 2000 or early 2000 or Roger Pam Green or be coach Kwara for ko first card the bre papa no so anyim coachi omo former coach bi se Kafaru Alabi Toyin Ayinla Johan Erikasen of Sweden Costa Papic ya Costa Papic ya I think coachi Hatfield ya ono nso coachi omo pen and Roger Palmer-Green no enso coachi omo pen free ho ba ne de omo fa foreign coach Biabrim efi 2006 wo eba se ne de Kadri Kana Nigeria ni Tunde Sani papa ya owo sisi wa coach pen 2011 and omo pam no and wasa bay Samson Unanel enso coach be na Baban Tunde Abdurrahman enso coach John Sam Obu and Abubakar Bala before Abdulaziz Mohammed Kabir Dogo and Papa Tunde Sani wasa kwaba biem nti sana esitie woko Nigeria Federation Cup mo maje baako eno no mo giye ya omo ne ede ba be Confederation Cup no the year 2025 no mo giye and the Nigerian Premier League no so 2006 regular season champions omo egiye and omo ye third Super 4 playoff national second division so 1997 omo eje baako nti ushoma omo history no enya fefe sa moro su bia sa omo home colors green and away so yellow sa and esitie wo ko ba bi omo bom game that is Ilorin ho na fa 18,000 capacity but say the maka no we enya ho ne omo beba omo na bi okuta say the report no emanate no sa and esi elko ewo mu se cia ye from say the Afonja Warriors say the Kotoko yeah the Warriors Pakupan Warriors no mo dia no Afonja Warriors and now say Harmony Boys and no ne dey say omo mpewa na ukọ Nigeria Premier League ni mo currently match day 4 and omabo last game on boy omni Wari Wolves and a boy was Southern Delta University Stadium Ozoro and no omobo goalless draw 0-0 previously long about 3 games what the Wari Wolves the can one 4 what chifrim bamua omanya 1 win our match day mako 4 omabomu 2 draw and a 1 lost and then omanya almost 2 goals and he has 1 goal and the etia warmonti they are poised for action omoni asante Kotoko and ebebo last year Premier League ni de omanya de omo to so 14th Nigeria Premier League in a 20-team league and omudi 14 last year that is 2024-2025 season you know now baby so say DNT no mutim bebo Confederation Cup and league no de ye na say the GFA Cup no so no version of the President Federation Cup that is the FA Cup and it's the historical antecedent and how the newspapers a lot of memu and so a reported with regards to Satimia no any crop yama pometema Santi Kotoko by one na club you more female team I from almost say Kwara ladies into everything Kwara into yabemo Kwara victory now what they are called yabe Kwara omo na bibia atimi akoso kama and on this episode ebe someone na mpese unya the euphoria said there are a lot of newspapers no omutim no eba bepiem on cry no reporter omo so eyefa omo